To organize these tabs, I've got a little gear up here in the upper right corner to configure tabs. You click on that and you can choose what tabs you want to see or not see. So if there's certain things that you don't ever need to see, you know, if you don't need to see the agreements or the social links, you can turn those off. Whenever you turn them off, they get removed from the tab list down here. If you decide, well, I want my my contacts to be listed first, you know, you can do that. I prefer my tags first so that it shows up. Whatever's this leftmost tab will be the tab that shows by default. I also allow you to pick one side tab that gets put into place. So maybe instead of notes right here, maybe you prefer to see the connections there. So I can click on that. So now what that's given me is my main contact information. I've got my connections on the right-hand side, and then my tags, notes, and important stuff over here. If it's listed over here on the right-hand side, it won't be listed down here, is the intent. So you pick and choose what tabs you want to show, what you don't want to show. Like I said, we're going to be adding more tabs, and it was just getting really long. We didn't want to have you scroll all the way down to find a certain section. This is just so much easier just to bump around to each of the different sections very quickly.